this is one of the main things that I've had to do a lot of, and it's taking brands or logos outside of JPEGs. So I thought I would show you how to do that really quickly today. It's very simple. In Photoshop, you'll select your magic wand tool. If you're wanting, so let's say that this logo usually doesn't have a white inside. So you'll select, making sure the contiguous is selected, not selected, excuse me, is off. And then the tolerance I have at 40. So you'll select the color that you're wanting to mask out. And you'll just come to your layers and then you'll mask that out. And so from here, you'll go File, Save a Copy, and you'll save it as a PNG so you have that transparent background. Make sure to save it however you need. I'm going to Command C and get back to the original. So let's say that you just want the background and you want the white inside. You'll turn this on. And then you'll just select the white. So I understand or know that if the ants are on the outside of the frame, that it's going to it's going to mask out the inside. So since I don't want that to happen, I'm going to go select inverse. So then it's just going to get the area that I'm wanting. Now, let's say that, I don't know, you're doing this 2 days later and you forget that part and you hit mask. If you on a Mac, Command I, then you'll inverse it. All right, so something like this, same thing. Make sure this is unchecked. So it'll select all the color. You can mask that at Command I, and then you'll get just that part. Normally from here, I'm going to convert this to a smart object, and then I'm going to save it as a PNG. Okay. And then you do the same here. Right click, convert to smart object, save a copy PNG. Yeah, we're going to replace that. Hit OK. And then now you can open and see your logos don't have a background. Ta-da!